This professor from Ukwuani land called Professor Steve A. Okecha told Senator Ned Nwoko, "You and your aides are not sociologists, not anthropologists, not biographers, not chronologists, not archivists, not historiographers, not antiquarians. You should therefore not distort and dabble into Delta North history." And that professor is from Ukwuani land. This man na Ukwuani person he be. Senator Ned Nwoko said that Anioma people are Igbo people. He is right. Nobody from Ukwuani land have the right to tell we Ukwuani people that we are not Igbo people. Because when you say that we Ukwuani people are not Igbos, the language that we Ukwuani people speak will always betray you. Our culture and our tradition will always betray you. The name we bear in Ukwuani land will always betray you. Me that is talking, I'm from Ukwuani land. The name of my village in Ogume is called Umuchime. So are you now going to tell me that Umuchime people are not Igbo people? In my community Ogume, everything about us is Igbo. Our language is Igbo. Our food is Igbo. Our dance is Igbo. Our masquerade is Igbo. Our deities is Igbo. So what is the problem of this set of Ukwuani people? In Ukwuani land, our ancestors came back from Benin. What is the name of those our ancestors? None of our ancestors that came back from Benin is bearing a Benin name. And still they ask our Ukwuani people, they don't say they're not Igbo people. Tell us the Benin names of our ancestors that came back from Benin, then off you talk. You people said that my community Ogume say that they are Benin people. We are called Ogumeidu, not Ogume Benin. Idu land is a land where different tribes lived and coexisted with each other. The land is called the Idu. It's not called Benin. After Yoruba people, now called Benin people, came from Ile-Ife and invaded Idu kingdom. My ancestors left Idu land, their own land, and came to our present location to settle. And that is why we Ogume people are called Ogumeidu. Check the whole ancestors that founded Ogume, my community. All of them that came back from Benin, none of them are bearing Benin names. All their names are Igbo names. One of them is bearing Odimegu. One of them is bearing Chime. One of them is bearing Aboluaka. One of them is bearing Ogwezi. Are all these names Benin names? No. And you go see somebody from Ogume, 1 or 2 know our history, go come online, they tell say, we Ogume people are Benin people. We are not Igbo people. Also, in other Ukwuani communities, none of their ancestors for that place, they bear Benin name. If your ancestors are not Igbo people, how come are we speaking Igbo language? Because if we talk now, those set of Ukwuani people will start telling you, we don't speak Igbo language, we speak Ukwuani. How did that name Ukwuani came into existence? We Ukwuani, people that speak the same dialect, we came together and choose that name Ukwuani. Ukwuani means lowland. We see say our location dey lowland. We now choose that name Ukwuani. That name is a unifying factor for we Ukwuani people. There is no ancestor in Ukwuani land called Ukwuani. Because the name Ukwuani now, so many Ukwuani people go dey feel say there is one ancestor called Ukwuani that gives birth to all of us. No. We Ukwuani people, we have different ancestries. I don't have any ancestor in Ogume called Ukwuani. So, say we adopt that name as Ukwuani people. Not give you the right to start to dictate, say we Ukwuani people not be Igbo people. No ancestor in Ukwuani land, no ancestor is bearing a Benin name. Professor Paul Oshago Opone, who is the head lecturer in history department, Delta State University, Abraka, he said that Ukwuani people are Igbo people and not Benin people. He gave us detailed history of Ukwuani people. All Ukwuani ancestors that he mentioned are all bearing Igbo names. No Benin name dey inside. This one not be say he hear am for another person or they do a citation. He made the research himself. He go the whole communities where the Ukwuani land, confirm this history by himself. Now the people where they then tell him say, see where they from come, see where they from come. Now them tell him the name of their ancestors. So many Ukwuani communities told him that they migrated from the southeast. Some of them said that they migrated from Imo State. Some said that they came from Anambra State. Today we call they speak the same dialect called Ukwuani. And today person go tell you say Ukwuani people don't have anything in common with the southeast. Ukwuani people and southeast people are not brothers. Person go just say be professor, come they divide the people. At the time that this is say nobody from Ukwuani land, nobody. Listen attentively, nobody from Ukwuani land can stop Ukwuani people not to embrace their Igbo identity. We dey speak Igbo language, everything about us na Igbo. You still dey talk say we are not Igbo people. The name Ukwuani, did it fall from the sky? We choose that name as a unifying factor. The name Igbo was not given to us. The name Igbo was a name that our ancestors called their ancestors. Ogendebo. In Ukwuani we say Ogendebo. In the time of the ancient people, all over Igbo land, they say Ndibo, Ndebo. Now that name we call the bear today, which is Igbo, ancient people. We Ukwuani people, we are expected to embrace that name. That name Igbo is the name that holds every Bia speaking people together in this country called Nigeria. Not only Nigeria, but worldwide. Those Ukwuani people that are having identity crisis, those Ukwuani people that are saying that they are not Igbo people, they will come out and be telling you that we Ukwuani people and Ika people are brothers. They will tell you that Oshimiri and Anyocha people are brothers with Ukwuani people. If Ika, Oshimiri and Anyocha people are located in the southeast, those Ukwuani people that say they are not Igbos will tell you that Ika, Oshimiri and Anyocha people are not their brothers because they are located in the southeast. The reason why those Ukwuani people that are saying that they are not Igbos are saying that Ukwuani, Oshimiri, Ika, and Anyocha people are brothers is because we understand each other and we are in the same Anioma land. So if you go fit embrace Ika person, Oshimiri, and Anyocha person as your brother, why you no want embrace southeast people as your brother? Because of state creation, you dey reject your brothers wey dey southeast. You dey talk say they not be your brothers. Don't you have sense? This is the reason why Ukwuani land is backward. So many of our people, you get as they take the reason. You they reject greatness. You they reject importers and exporters. You they reject people where they say, now them be say Nigeria they move forward. People where they say the entire country they will say the Igbo people. You they reject them to stay alone. Ukwuani people cannot do it alone. Even as we did this Ukwuani land, tell me waiting this set of professors, tell me good thing where they don't bring come Ukwuani land. Ukwuani have politicians, yet Ukwuani land is backward. Light now we don't get so. For 20 years, Ukwuani not get light. Ukwuani not get development. Nothing good is in Ukwuani land. We don't have infrastructure, nothing. And the only thing that these professors have to say is to come online saying that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. So many Ukwuani people that are saying that they are not Igbo people are busy sharing this picture online, saying that Senator Ned should stop calling we Ukwuani people Igbo people. Now Senator Ned tell Nigeria government to they call you Ukwuani people Igbo people. Now Senator Ned Nwoko tell federal troops after Nzogo do that coup. Now him tell federal troops to start killing Ukwuani people in the north. No. Now Senator Ned Nwoko tell the government of Delta State to register we Ukwuani people as Igbo people. No. So who is this man to come out and be telling us that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people? And still they talk and say no organization for Ukwuani land has the right to tell we Ukwuani people that we are not Igbo people. Any Ukwani person when they tell you say we Ukwani people not be brothers with the Southeast, that Ukwani person not get sense. This one not be say he dey ignorant. He not get sense. If you go fit allow boundary, state boundary, where governments create to dictate for you who be your brother, that means you not get sense. Fulani people are there, embracing each other as one people all over the world. Fulani person where they Senegal. If you see Fulani person where they Cameroon, you go embrace them as a brother. They don't live in the same country. Fulani people, they have different dialects. Yet if they see each other, they identify as one people. No be say Fulani people too they go school, but the way that they united, now education it be. Because their fathers they tell them say every Fulani people are one people. But you Ukwani person where in Nigeria, you speak Igbo language, everything about you is Igbo. See you Ukwani person, see Ika person, see Oshimiri person, see Anyocha person, see Ikwere person, see Anambra person, see Abia person, see Imo person. You thought say we are not be one people. Say we Ukwani have nothing in common with the South, that we are not one people. You are just an educated illiterate. You don't have sense. You don't get sense. You don't have sense. Anybody will not get sense. I go tell them for a face say you don't have sense. Some people only learn if you tell them say they don't get sense. Some people only learn if you tell them say they be mumu. What is wrong with this set of Ukwani people? Now, so this set of Ukwani people, they come and they say, did we test in Ned Nwoko that we want Anioma state? Anioma state is not our problem. We don't want Anioma state. We rather remain in South and be suffering than to join Southeast. We don't want to join Southeast. We are Niger Delta people. We are South people. We rather die in South than to join Southeast. This set of Ukwani people are the ones that I call us why they don't get sense. Now, this mentality make Ukwani land day backward. I still they talk this thing. Ukwani land is the most backward Igbo speaking region in Delta states. You get some Ukwani communities where you go enter, single third road not there inside. You go just enter Ukwani, you go ask yourself, now the Ukwani land where they hear the name be this, no development in Ukwani land. We are not developed. You they pursue people where go develop Ukwani land. They tell them say we are not Igbo people. Senator Ned Nwoko, stop calling us Igbo. Who are you to dictate for we Ukwani people whether we are Igbos or not? Anioma people are Igbo people. We are Igbo people, and we will never allow this set of elders from Ukwani land to be telling we Ukwani people that we are not Igbos. If you not be Igbo person, keep them to yourself. Stop telling the world that we Ukwani people are not Igbo people. Imagine Ukwani person go come out they talk say we rather die in South. If to say one die for Delta State, make we die for Delta State, we will never join the Southeast. Ego. Kweke. Such mentality na poverty mentality. Such mentality na failure mentality. We Ukwani people should not allow those set of Ukwani people that are failures to keep we Ukwani people backward. Every region for this life gets people who don't get sense among them. And they talk this thing. We not be Igbo people. Tell us how we not be Igbo people. Una not give us any proof. We be Benin people. Tell us the name of our Benin ancestors. Una not tell us any proof. The same Benin where una they claim that they use we Ukwani people, they do sacrifice for Benin, that they sell us into slavery. Now why we run come out from that place, come here? Ask them now. Why did you people come out from Benin? They will tell you say about Benin this, about Benin that, about Benin they do us like this, they do us like that. If we Ukwani people are Benin people, will the Oba of Benin treat us that way? No. Ukwani people know where your brothers are, know who are your brothers. No allow state creation to keep you away from your brothers. Ukwani is just a regional identity. We still remain Ukwani people even if we embrace our Igbo identity. Oshimili people are still called Oshimili even when they embrace their Igbo identity. Nri people still identify as Nri even when they embrace their Igbo identity. Nsoka people are still called Nsoka even if they embrace their Igbo identity. If we Ukwani people embrace our Igbo identity, we are still Ukwani people. Use your brain and reason. Use your brain. Nigeria not the progress, not be say everything a politician that. So many black people don't have sense. And the ones who don't get sense for Ukwani land are those who will tell you say we Ukwani people rather die in Delta State than to join the Southeast. Those set of Ukwani people are the evil fashioned against themselves. And they come and make me say that evil well fashioned against them. Make that evil fashioned against the entire Ukwani land, and we say no. Those Ukwani people who get sense when they say we are Southeast people are brothers. All of us say no. We not allow the ones who don't get sense amongst us to separate us from our Southeast brothers. We Ukwani people, we are Igbo people. We are not separate people from the Southeast. You want dey for South South, wetin dey South South wey dey sweet you? You dey South South road, you no get light, you no get, you are still proud, you want to remain in that same South South. We will never allow anyone from Ukwuani land to separate we Ukwuani people from our Southeast brothers. We Ukwuani people should support Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that Anioma state is being zoned to the southeast for us to develop Ukwuani land, for Ukwuani land to be great, and for us to be united with our Igbo brothers. Igbo Bofu, Ishiawale.